So what we do, this is the overflow. We reach that point, start going. And down here's the drain valve.
Yep.
Now, drains it off. What's basically left, that screen there. This one. And then you have these
Baffle plate.
baffle plates. And that helps get that soil out, separated from the recirculating pump. So we just